how to avoid monthly fees on your Bank of America account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So there are several ways in order to do so to avoid the monthly maintenance fees on your advanced banking, checking, and savings account. So you can basically look out for Bank of America fees for account maintenance and over analysis within the browser. And here you will be finding the section where you can select a product. So drop this option down, expand it, and then you can select what you would like to do so for. So for example, let's say Advantage Save Balance Banking for Family Banking. You may select it, and once you do so here, it will show you all of the agreements. So you can avoid the monthly maintenance for the fee when you actually meet one of the following requirements during statement cycle. So for example, for this kind of account, you need to maintain a minimum daily balance of $500 or more in your account. And the account owner is a member of the preferred reward program and qualify for the gold, platinum, or platinum honors tier or diamond honors tier. And if there is any fiduciary accounts, including trust and state accounts, do not qualify for the under age of 25 requirement to waive the monthly maintenance fee. Additionally, the accounts do not qualify for the under age. You can look out for that. And you can, if you'd like to view more details information about account, you can basically go ahead and do so. You can basically select up the product and look out for the thing that you're trying to look for. So you may follow up this method. You can basically go ahead and maintain a minimum daily balance, enroll in the preferred rewards program, look out for student status and etc. And that way you can avoid monthly fees on your Bank of America account very easily. So therefore that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.